are so excited to play our roles on the stage for you. If you are ready, please sit back, take a deep breath, and enjoy the show. Here we go! This is the story of an ordinary little boy named Charlie Bankhead. He was not faster or stronger or more clever than other children. His family was not rich or powerful.
Oh well, nothing was better with carrots than carrots.
Already set in motion, Willy Wonka had been broken as stylus, and notices had been posted on telephone poles, street corners, all around the world. Willy Wonka's voice was heard for the first time. What seemed like aches.
Hey, let me through. Excuse me, where are we? Charlie, listen, Willy Wonka about to give a speech on the radio.
Dear people of the world, I am Willy Wonka. I have decided to tell 4 special people to visit my factory this year. In addition, one of these people received a prize what anyone could ever imagine.
Did you hear that, Charlie?
Can you spell that for us, please?
E-E-R-U-C-A, Veruca Salt.
Soon, as my little worker taught me, she wanted one of these golden tickets. I started playing all Wonka bars. I could lay my hands on thousands of them, hundreds of thousands. I'm in the nut sorting business.
Where's my golden ticket?
I'm so damn proud. These are just a few of the 263 trophies my wallet has won. I'm a gum cheer mostly, but when I heard about the ticket things, a lot of them switched candy bars. She's just a common young girl. I don't know why she's meant to come honey. But I show you.
The 4th golden ticket has been found by a boy named Mark TV.
Doesn't seem like they think it's for very long.
In the end, I only had to buy 1 candy bar. And how did it taste? I don't know.
My secret money. Now we are going to have 105 plus golden tickets.
Bicycle. Are you crazy? I will have 500 for state trip. Oh, that's enough of that. Leave the kids alone. Listen, boy, take that ticket at home and don't let anyone have it. Understand?
Here, read it all. Here, that's what it says. Greetings to you. The lucky finder of this golden ticket. From Mr. Willy Wonka. She hold me by the hand for now. I do invite you to come to my factory and be my guest one whole day. I, Wonka, will conduct you around the factory myself.
Mommy, I want to go in. It's not because make time go faster. I saw the prize wallet. I saw the prize.
Please enter! Come forward! Close the gates!
It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my humble factory.
it.
We don't want to tell all our names.
You don't need to know.
Mr. Wonka, introduce in here.
What? Oh yes, I will keep it wrong. Because my uncles are using
Yeah, my uncles.
all in no time now.
Mr. Wonka, I'm well. Let's be with that.
I don't care.
I'm very puzzled. I'm not going to school and find out your chocolate.
I can see that, so do I. You are right. You are the little lonely practices. And you are just aren't you?
Parents?
Yeah, not so best.
Would you like some chocolate? Sure. Then you should buy some. Ha 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 ha.
Let's be friends. Best friends.
Where do they come from?
Who are they? Are they real people?
Of course they're real people. They don't believe that. They come from global land.
There is no such place. What? There is no such place. Mr. Wonka, I teach high school geography, and I'm here to tell you that
You will know all about it. I want to current play of this.
Pirates!
is he alone here? That happened. Hildur.
He's gonna stick in the chocolate.
I think he is. He's gone.
Like that. But let me tell you something. You can talk. Now this is here. You is not a
It's changing. Roast with baked potato, crispy skin, and butter.
Keep chewing to go.
My little girl gonna be the first person in the world chewing gum milk.
I'm just a little weird about the
Blueberry pie and ice cream.
yeah, that's part. This regards, I will take her to Come on, let's a cursing lady today. No, we're at the house. She says she's a bad girl. Oh my goodness. She thinks she's a bad girl.
Where are they taking yours?
Where the bad nuts are.
Oh
Don't worry, she'll be okay. Goodbye. Let's go check the television and what we get.
What do you mean?
Oh, thank you. He's completely unharmed.
Unharmed? What are you talking about?
Just put me back in other way.
There's no
Oh, dear.
Right over.
right over there in the little house.
I think someone's at the door.
Mom, Dad, we're back.
Charlie,
my goodness!
I invited 5 children and Charlie is the winner.
That's you, Charlie.
So what do you say? Are you coming with me?
Sure. But I don't costume.